Once the mesh is classified into the required layer, we can then export the mesh from the mesh editor. For that, go to the taskbar and click on the export button. The export dialog box will open. Let's now look at how does it work. On the left hand side, you have a scene selection window. If you click on it, you have different options in here. If you would like to export entire mesh, which contains unclassified and classified mesh both, you can select that. Or if you want just to export the classified mesh, you can click on the classified mesh and it will only select the layers in the classified mesh. Another option is that whatever mesh is visible on the screen, you can export that. Last but not the least is the custom option. Here you can check or uncheck the boxes which you would like to export. For example, in here, I would like to export all the elements in the equipment. For that, I will uncheck the architectural group and the structural group. When we come in here, we have option to merge the surfaces. So all the geometries within the layer can be merged into single surfaces once we activate this one. So here I would like to have all the surfaces in CNC machine 1 and all the equipments into that particular layer. For that I will just activate it, and then we can come in here to the right hand side and we can see we have option export as. So here we can export these layers as a single file or multiple files. For now, I will select a single file, then set up the location, set up file name. Now the most important part in here, selecting the format, in which format you would like to export. Here, I would like to take these equipments into the Revit. So I'm exporting it to the ReCap Mesh Revit format. Once exported, I can always select the classification color on and off and export the scene. To use this whole model in the Revit, click on Export, select Entire Mesh. Using this, you will be able to export unclassified and classified mesh both. Select single or multiple files, however you want. Select the location, give file a name, and export it as recap mesh Revit format. So this is how you convert scans to segmented mesh in recap on your local drive. After converting the segmented mesh, you can classify the mesh into different layers and of course create different groups, perform different operations on the mesh, and once you have the mesh ready as per your requirement, you can export the mesh to different file format to use it in the subsequent workflows. I hope that was insightful. Let's now move into how we can use this mesh file into different Autodesk products. Thank you.